Hello guys, this is Mike from McProgramming.org. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to even take this if-else a little bit further with the if-else-if. And that may sound a little bit confusing, but it pretty much means we're going to say if x is, or in this case, if x is less than 2, print that out. Else, if it's not, we're going to print this out. But what if we wanted to have a bunch of different if statements? We can do this. If x is less than 2, we're going to do that. Else if x is greater than 2, we want to run that. And if none of those are true, we can say else, and we'll put another set of curly brackets right there. We can print out something. So let's say, let's just say x equals 2. Okay, I'm going to change the other statements in a second. Alright, so now what we got to say is if x is less than 2. So we'll just say x is less than 2, and here we'll say x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2. Okay, so now we have a couple more options that we can run. So let's do that real quick. Let's see what it prints out. Alright, so we have x is greater than 2. Now let me set x equal to 2. Okay, so now we have x is equal to 2. So now we have a little bit more functionality, and we can have a million if-else statements. So to handle that, we'll look at a switch statement a little bit later. I don't know if that'll be the next thing we go over, but we will go over it very shortly, and that will get rid of a million if-else statements. So there you go. There's a little bit of a broader thing we can use to check all these conditions and handle them correctly. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe below.